This story is about Kylo, an incredibly sweet dog who has turned our home into a kitty paradise. When I first saw him meet the kittens, I held my breath. What if he got scared? What if the kittens thought he was their enemy? But all my worries vanished the moment those tiny creatures rushed to Kylo. As soon as they saw him, they weren't just unafraid of him, they craved his attention. The kittens leapt at the gate, climbed up on him, clung to his fur with their tiny paws, and then ran nose to nose with him. Each of them chose a different way to meet Kylo, but they all wanted the same thing, for him to kiss them. And Kylo, this huge gentle dog, accepted their love with such warmth that it was impossible not to smile. But I kept feeling like I couldn't leave him. When I got the call about Kylo, I learned that he had been given to someone as a puppy, but the people couldn't handle him and decided to give him up. It's a pretty common story. People get a dog without realizing the responsibility that awaits them. I came just to look at him, to help him find a new home. But when I saw this little boy, it was love at first sight. There was already a cat living in the house,
Hi, good morning.
and I had locked her in a separate room so the dogs couldn't get in. But as soon as I opened the door, a horde of kittens came screaming out. I was terrified, afraid that Kylo would be afraid of them, or worse, act aggressive. But he just stood there calmly, sniffing each one and then wagging his tail as if to say, "Oh, hello little ones." That was the moment I knew Kylo loved cats. From that day on, he looked forward to seeing the kittens every morning. He knew when I was coming downstairs, and he was ready. As soon as I appeared, he would immediately get up and walk over to me with awe in his eyes, as if to say, "Mommy, we're ready." His tail was like a happy little propeller that couldn't stop. The kittens adored him. They called to him, jumped on him, tried to play with his ears, and he took them in like a loving big brother. It was his favorite part of the day. But the most touching part was the way he said goodbye to them.
I said no. You cannot get.
When the day came to take the kitten to her new home, Kylo understood. He walked with me to the door, wagging his tail gently, watching as I put the baby in the carrier and said goodbye. I could tell he was sad, but I always told him, "Don't worry, Kylo, there will be others." And he knew it was true. There would always be kittens in our house. There would always be someone who needed love, and Kylo would be there to give it to them. This dog made our home even more comfortable and full of love. To see how much he cares for the kittens and how happy he is to meet each one of them is truly special. If you like the story about Kylo and his incredible love for kittens, please like, comment, and subscribe to the
Take care,
channel
Bear.
to see more touching and inspiring stories. Before bringing an exotic pet into your home, be sure to consult with experts and learn about their specific needs. Proper research is the key to giving